And you will need a fan brush. And you can also use another fan brush. That's Bristle, the other one was synthetic. And you can use a flat chiseled edge. Now let's get some reflections from the trees. So the same colors, you're fine. Add a little bit of white to lighten it up a bit. I don't know, it's basically the same color. Just come down into the water. Lighten it up a little bit in here. You need some more yellow or white to brighten it up. And then just add some little white flowers if you want them. Water lines on these trees over here. Oops, it's a big one. It's over here. And on top of the water. They're hard to see, but they're there. Some on top of those trees up here. Just little water lines. Helps make it look like it's underwater. I think I'm going to leave that. That's a pretty nice little painting. Pretty simple. So I will see you in the next video. Signing off from Allison Prior. Happy painting, everybody. Bye.